Welcome back. Jury deliberations are underway in former President Trump's historic criminal trial in New York.
Michael George reports from outside the courthouse where Mr. Trump could become the first former president ever convicted of a crime.
Former President Donald Trump struck a pessimistic tone after jury deliberations in his criminal case got underway.
Mother Teresa could not beat those charges, but we'll see. We'll see how we do.
The presumptive Republican presidential nominee is facing 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. Prosecutors contend he tried to conceal a repayment to his former fixer Michael Cohen for $130,000 in hush money paid to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 presidential election.
That is the question at the heart of this. Were the business records falsified in order to try and unlawfully influence the election?
Trump has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing.
These charges are rigged. The whole thing is rigged.
Judge Juan Merchan began the day by issuing instructions to the jurors, saying the burden of proof never shifts from the people to the defendant. If the people fail to satisfy their burden of proof, you must find the defendant not guilty. And if the people satisfy their burden of proof, you must find the defendant guilty. The former president's fate comes down to a jury of 7 men and 5 women. They have the testimony of 22 witnesses over several weeks to consider.
I think we're looking at hours versus days. The faster it is, the better it is for the prosecution.
This is one of 4 criminal cases Trump is facing, but most likely the only one that will wrap up before the presidential election in the fall.
Even if Mr. Trump is convicted, it does not necessarily mean he'll serve prison time. Judge Merchan has other sentencing options, including probation.